freedom from this patriarchy, from the control that, sorry, I'm a man and I'm saying this, but from the control.
So finally, someone has used the word patriarchy from the gender male. So girls and women of the society from years are speaking this word patriarchy, but no one was taking a look at that word. And now finally, someone who has a political background and has a powerful personality has spoke the word patriarchy, and it feels so relieved. Finally, it feels like we are going to be treated as a human being. We are always treated as a second sex, as a second gender in the society. We are treated to take care of someone else and not of ourselves. We are shamed if we take care of ourselves before prioritizing others. And Rahul Gandhi sir, touchwood, you have spoke the word patriarchy, and now it creates so much impact on the nation because you are literally rejecting Manusmriti, RSS, all the ideologies that have been inbuilt in all. So finally, someone who is politically staunch person is speaking about women empowerment, and not only he is speaking about women empowerment, but he is also rejecting patriarchal ideology mindset. He also rejecting how the people of the gender hierarchy that is created in India, and how males are treated differently in India, and how the pressure of maintaining tradition, culture and authenticity and everything is expected by the women of the nation. Like literally you can see that women are expected to wear a sari for maintaining the tradition and culture of India. But what about men? I never see men wearing dhotis. Why? Why is it that only one gender of the society should preserve a tradition or a culture? If we both belong from India, why not we both preserve the tradition and culture? So here we can see that the hierarchy is quite clear, and someone coming from a political background and powerful person speaking about this gives us so much relief. We finally feel that someone is talking about our issues, someone is talking about the way we are treated on daily basis, someone is talking about how we are living this life with certain mindset, certain ideology, certain psychology, and it is like an inbuilt thing that girls shouldn't do this, girls shouldn't do that. And now someone has finally spoke that girls are individual human being. We belong to we before belonging to others, and it gives a sense of relief. It gives a sense of, finally we feel that people are aware that what is happening with us. People are aware, political this gender, male gender, is aware that how it feels to be treated secondary, how it feels to be to get dismissed, how it feels to postpone our dreams for someone else. And that is what Rahul Gandhi is trying to say here, that I missed it, but if I was in Pune, I would definitely go. Oh my god, what a relief it is for all the girls, for all the women to finally know that someone understands them to the core. And मुझे पता है सबसे बड़ी बात क्या लगी कि patriarchy ये word मैंने किसी पावरफुल इंसान, पॉलिटिकल इंसान के मुंह से सुना, बिकॉज अभी तक तो मैंने ये लड़कियों के मुंह से ही सुना था. कुछ अच्छे मैन ऑफ द सोसाइटी थे जो ये वर्ड यूज़ करते थे, बट यूजिंग मियर वर्ड हैज़ नथिंग टू डू विथ द चेंज. द चेंज हैपन्स फ्रॉम विद इन, द चेंज हैपन्स विद इक्वालिटी, द चेंज हैपन्स विद द वे यू अप्रोच द सिस्टम, द चेंज हैपन्स विद एक्सेप्टिंग everyone as an individual and not forcing your ideologies and perspectives on another person. And I think change is gonna happen. Change is gonna happen, and let's vote Rahul Gandhi as the Prime Minister next time. Yeah, #Rahul Gandhi.